to be sharing you my way of making some crepes. So let's get to it. Okay, so now I'll be telling you the ingredients. So you'll be needing 2 cups of warm milk, a half teaspoon of salt, vanilla extract, and almond extract, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of flour, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we're going to put in the dry ingredients first. We're going to put the 1 cup of flour in. And we're going to put a half teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to put three tablespoons of sugar. I can't open it. I can't open it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just put that. That's fine.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God, that's a lot. And we're going to go ahead and give it a whisk. Okay, so now we're going to be adding in the wet ingredients. We're going to pour in the 2 cups of warm milk, the 3 tablespoons of melted butter, the 3 eggs, and we're going to give that a stir. Okay, and then you're going to add a half teaspoon of almond extract, and then a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So, before getting the mixer and mixing it up, we're going to give it a little bit more of a stir. Now it's time for the mixer. Okay, and I give it a little bit more of a quick stir until you put it in the fridge for 2 hours and wait for it to cool down. Now that I've waited for the batter to cool, now you're going to get some butter, a brush to brush it out on a medium-sized non-stick pan, and then something to put with the crepe. I'm using Nutella, and some tools to flip it, and another tool to scoop some batter. Then you turn on the heat to very low heat, and then you add the butter in. You put it in a medium-low heat, and then you spread the butter. Then you're going to add a scoop of batter. Okay, and then I added a scoop of batter and went ahead and spread it across the pan. Okay, so now you're going to spread it. And wait for about 30 seconds until flipping. Once 30 seconds is over, then you're going to go ahead and look if the sides are brown. If they're not, then keep waiting. Okay.
Where are you going?
So I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove and put my custard onto a plate.
Custard?
And I'll tell you when I'm done with all of this batter. These crepes, I'm going to go ahead and spread some Nutella and whipped cream that I made, and I'm going to put it on here. The whipped cream that I made and the Nutella, then I'm going to go ahead and fold it just like this. I want to fold it so it'll be a little bit more tiny, and there you go.
That's really good.
Hope this taught you how to make some crepes, and bye.
You just dripped everywhere.
So good.
Wipe it.
I thought we had that small light. Is this what brown parents will do? Was she modeled? Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to make some yummy, yummy crepes.